What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? In this video, you're gonna watch me live execute a play from yesterday, and this is important because I actually took 2 losses before this. So I want to show you guys like what a profitable student does. Okay, keep in mind I'm an ICT student, and it's gonna look very, very real because not a lot of people see these big guys showing their losses. And this was a play I had a lot of conviction in, and I knew I'd have to try a couple of times to get it because, again, there was a 930 wick here, which is a good liquidity pool, and there's buy set above. So I knew I'd have to try a few times, and again, I was all right with that, trying a few times. And I want you to look at my P&L. So I am using an Apex account. Again, they are 80% off right now, so use code Dodgy if you want to play this account. I need $1,000 more for a payout, okay, which I am now $200 away as of right now. And I'm keeping in mind the P&L, and I'm keeping in mind that we have FOMC today, and this was yesterday. So I know we had FOMC the next day. So I was willing to go back to break even and risk $200 here, and I was willing to go back to break even the day because we have FOMC today, and by the time I upload this video, it'll probably be done, and I'm assuming I'll hit 106K, but knowing that and knowing that we get good price action when we do get FOMC is very, very, very important. Because why? Well, because I know the ability and the volatility to trade during FOMC is going to be much easier than trading then and right there. So watch how I kind of take this and approach this. You'll see me take a loss. Again, if you want to watch and do this in live time, this is all on a live stream. Just click the link in the description. And yeah, let's get on to the video.
Most traders, gamblers, including you.
I was watching Twitter on Instagram. All right, Instagram. So again, now this account's only up 200. So I'm gonna just re-long this if this breaks, and put the stop loss at the low. It'll be like this. So again, another setup. So I was looking at this setup, not in terms of win rate, but in terms of, okay, I still have conviction up here, and there's this very, very low risk. That's why I took it. I didn't take it because it would be a high win rate play. I took it because it was very, very low risk. So I kind of took it. I liked it, and I saw this LR above. And again, we swept liquidity here, and I took it because of risk, not because of win rate. I'm trading based off liquidity. I still think buy side is going to be up here. And yeah. If I get stopped here, I'm still pretty green on the day. So it doesn't really matter to me. Well, for the funded account. All right. Look, now this account is sitting at 100. So I got stopped. I was only up $131 at this point. I still have the same conviction, and knowing FOMC's today, or in this case tomorrow, I knew this meant nothing because with FOMC, I know I have a strong ability to make this back. So I was willing to risk $130 more for a level I still had conviction in, as long as the risk was relatively good. So watch what 5,000 or 105,000 exactly, $7 off. So tomorrow I'll probably go minis because I like to size up during FOMC. And again, that win is going to be very, very attainable to me. Okay. And yeah, I'll stream PM tomorrow. So do you see why sizing is important and why I don't blow my accounts very much? And again, I know when to size up, I know when to size down. I mean, the play size up on was pretty high confident. So, and again, I'm probably just I'm going to keep long until this works, until I go back to 0 or go up 400 again. So now watch what I do here. Yeah, but I'll stream PM tomorrow. Again, remember, I treat this like an eval account. I've been done on my personal. I don't want to touch it. All right, I'll see you guys later. I still think we go up to this buy side. I'm going to try probably one more long. This 15-second breaks. Again, I'm just sizing enough to where I have $130 to play with, so. Now look this. Look, I just typed in $103 of risk because I was willing to lose whatever that was. So it allowed me to trade 8 contracts. That was about a 8-point stop, and that was about $130 risk. Now, do you see how I'm typing in terms of risk and not really in win percentage? I was willing to allow myself to lose that 130 that I already gained because of FOMC tomorrow or today. And I was still confident in this price target hitting. So I still like the setup. All right. I'll see you guys later. Peace. All right. So this is the last play I'm trying. Again, remain the same up here. Now my P&L freezes here. I don't know why, but I'll need to play with right now. So good momentum. So I'm gonna scale 4 here probably. So because of the crappy day and because this was about a 1.7 R, I was like, okay, I'm gonna scale half there. It was equal highs and it made sense. And there's half off. Dude, the funny thing is, I literally just ended stream, and I'm like literally the second I clicked end, this played out. Fortunately, again, a lot of LRLR should be ran. Gotta change this to 4. Now watch what I do here. We've equal highs here, so I'm actually gonna pyramid. So I pyramided because we had equal highs right here and right here, and I was like, okay, there's no way we don't break these. And I'm like, and I felt confident. I felt confidence buy side. I wanted to size up here. I'm really close to getting payout. And hey, I mean, worst case, I get stopped to break even, right? So I sized up and, you know, just because of confidence. Not as equal on NQ, but still pretty confident in the bias. So this is just confidence. I'm going to bail there. And boom, let's go. So there we go. Nice. And now look at my P&L. $600. I've risked $130 to make $600. So I'm actually gonna. There's not really a good spot to hold a runner to, I guess, here. I honestly have to go, so I think I'm just gonna sell here. Yeah, whatever. So now I only got 500 more to go on this. So that is a clip of like me losing and then me risking $130 that I was green on the day, and I literally made $600 on that. How many people can you see do that? Probably not a lot. So again, pyramiding, like this is an advanced video, okay? Like again, who's gonna pyramid there? I mean, no one unless you have experience. I mean, maybe ICT will, but I just thought this video was really important to watch. I think it's good to watch my live executions when I do my live stream, and yeah, I hope you guys learned something. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and that's it for now. Peace.